Welcome to Luna, the perfect choice. For those seeking modern student accommodation in the heart of Hatfield, take your pick. From a variety of stunning apartments and studios designed to suit your style and budget. The spacious apartments feature private bedrooms with double-door wardrobes, underbed storage, and ensuite bathrooms, along with shared kitchens, perfect for those who love to share. Meanwhile, the studios offer private ensuite bathrooms, study areas, and cozy double beds with your very own kitchenette and smart TV in every room. Step outside your room and find a range of social spaces to suit every occasion. Take advantage of the modern study spaces, perfect for getting your university work done, while the lively lounge and landscape garden with barbecue area offer the ideal setting for summer nights. And if you're looking for some fun activities, why not host a jam session in the karaoke room or plan a movie night with friends at the cinema room? When it's time for class, the University of Hertfordshire is just a short walk away. And if you want to explore the rest of the city, public transport is easily accessible, with the nearest bus station just around the corner. With endless shopping, dining, and nightlife options, there's always something to do. At Luna, life is like colorful confetti, filled with many vibrant seasons. Book your stay at amberstudent.com and experience the best of Hatfield today.